Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So we've recently had our bespoke Elite 480 2021 display model turn up to us. So just taking this opportunity just to take you around on that caravan and really show you what it's got to offer. So here's a good look at the Elite 480, a bespoke elite range to us here at Grantham based on the Challenger, and the 480 being that of the two berth. So you've got the wonderful chrome logo stretching across the front with the Elite logo there. Carbon fibre front locker box. Across, space in there for two 6kg gas bottles. Light items like your step, your electric hookup cable, steady winder for your legs. Just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. Our Elite range has got the ATC trailer control system as standard, making for a far safer and secure tow. We have also added an Alco manoeuvring handle to the jockey wheel, just making it a little bit easier to sort that jockey wheel out. Coming down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, side access hatch to underneath the front couches, an external entertainment pod with triple arm TV bracket, a 240 volt socket inside there and also aerial point, and a further 240 volt socket on the other side. The Chrome Elite logo going down the side of the caravan as well, and our completely bespoke decal, again going full stretch. Benefiting from the Elite branded doormat as you step in, and one of the great features of this two-berth caravan is this large, tall fridge freezer. You've got a combination oven and grill benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric. An omnivent in the kitchen area to take out some of those cooking smells, but in the hot summer months bring in some of that ambient temperature. You've got an easy usable height microwave just positioned above the kitchen sink, and a stainless steel sink. That green trim is just a peel off trim just protecting the sink. You've got a large kitchen work surface with work surface extension. New for 2021 is a change in the wood lockers. So this Arale Zen wood grain and the two-tone over on the cream, which accents fantastically well against our bespoke fabric scheme that you see here. This is hand selected by Grantham Caravans, so you won't find this in any other caravan out on the market. You've got the PIR sensor for the alarm there where you see the green flashing light. On the front binnacle, you've got 240 volt socket, aerial point, USB ports, and also 12 volt for your TV. Short pull-out table with a chest there as well for storage, and a freestanding table located elsewhere in the caravan. Matching cushions and a high quality of finish on the curtains with the matching wood grain cupboards as well, and plenty of storage throughout. A panoramic sunroof located at the front, just positioned above the illuminated Elite logo, and coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light gives a fantastic feeling of space. Large sideboard that you see here, with storage underneath, a shelf and further storage above. Benefiting from the Swift Command system located above the habitation door with built-in digital DAB radio, ability to control your caravan via Bluetooth whilst in it, but also to be able to control it via the Swift Command app. Benefiting from the Alder wet central heating system throughout this caravan, giving you an all-round, all-year warmth. So stepping towards the rear, you've got a very large individual shower cubicle, full set of carpets that you see tucked away there. High quality of finish on the sink with a large vanity mirror with the Elite logo on it. Storage located underneath. This is where I mentioned earlier is tucked away is your freestanding table just in the bathroom for the front. You've got your Thetford toilet with your heater in the bathroom area and a small shelf above. And a very generous sized individual shower cubicle located towards the rear here with hanging rail, your multi-directional aerial and Vision Plus box all located at the back here. Some high quality finish on the shelves there with storage underneath. So a really well spec'd high quality two-berth caravan in that of the Elite 480. If you've got any queries or questions about this particular model, please contact our friendly sales team and we'd be more than happy to help you. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour. We'll look forward to hearing from you and we hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.